Hi there, welcome back to Viskon 16, and here's a quick tip for you. If you want to create a special head profile for your rafters or your purlins, here's how you can do this. Click on the rafter/purlin profiling under the Machineworks tab. Click on the command, select your desired target, be it a rafter or a purlin, as I said. And here in the window, you can select one of the presets if you want. We have 6 kinds of presetted head profiles. And if you like one of these, you can choose the reference side you want to put it on, and also you can change its parameters. For example, longitudinal distance, let's say this be 10 centimeters, radius a little bit bigger, or the offset, let's set it a little bit further away from the side and a little bit up. This is how this looks now. Or if you want a little bit complex, you can do this also. 12 centimeters radius, 10 offset bigger. This can be negative as well. Let's say it's just 2 centimeters. We have a concave profile, 2. This should be 10. This 4. Now let's say this is 2 centimeters. And the depth is 0, for example. And now if you are satisfied with the looks of it, click OK. And here you have your special head profile. But we have an option for making our own head profile like these. Maybe just for example, this is a special one which I created before. But let's see how can we create our own profile. Let's create a new 2D top view with a 1:50 scale ratio. Size is A4, that's okay. Back to 1:50. It doesn't matter, we won't use this page layout just for the sketch. Now let's start with creating a rectangle. By right-clicking this icon, you can choose whether it should be transparent or not. I'm gonna select hatching to be none, so it won't show any hatch, just the simple rectangle. And clicking OK again on the rectangle icon, and let's create 50 centimeters by 15 centimeter rectangle. Now this is our, let's say, rafter head, rafter ending. Now this will be our outline, the contour of it. And now we, let's say, create 2 segments in it. I want to put a line on the end. Another line on the distance of 20 centimeters. Okay, and another one with 15 centimeters distance from the previous one. Right click, exit out of the command. And now we should use, if we want to create curved lines, we should create some arches beforehand, just for the outline. It's not gonna be the final contour, but just a pattern on which we are going to draw simple line segments later. For now, I'm gonna need a curved line so that later I will be able to draw onto. Let's draw another arc over here. Okay. And another rectangle, smaller one, maybe somewhere here, 5 by 5. Okay. Now, these lines are the pattern lines, but the final free outline for the head profile is gonna be made by simple 2D lines. I'm gonna use the draw line over 2 points method for drawing. I'm gonna start over here. 1 click, 2 clicks, and click OK. That's our first segment. And now I'm gonna follow this curved line with as many segments as I would like. For obviously for a smoother curve, you're gonna use more segments. Right now I'm gonna do it a little bit ugly, but for the example it's perfect. And that's about it. I'm gonna delete our pattern lines. Yes. This one too. Okay. Delete the rectangle and the guidelines. What's this? Oh yes. Let's create another line. And that's it. Now I'm gonna select all these 2D lines, right click, save as element, and you have to check the save as free outline box. And now you only need to, what you need to do is to give a name. Let's call it test1 and save. Back to the 3D view, and then let's check if we did it correctly. We choose here the free option, and here is the test1 profile, the free outline. Click OK, and now as you can see it's a little bit strange looking, but if I choose the correct reference side, it's almost okay. Let's customize it and right orientation. And it's starting to look like the one I wanted. My problem is that I wanted this end to be flat, not on an angle. So we have to do first a simple profiling. Let's make it 0, and now it's flat with right angles. Okay, and again click on the rafter. Now you can select the test profile, reference side 3, and right orientation. Okay, and let's shift it further back. And that's it. That's how I want it to look. Our head profile. Click OK, and now you have your custom profile. Let's do it again. So make a flat surface. Again, it's not necessary, but the form I made requires it to be flat. Okay. And the free outline. Okay. Reference side, right orientation, and a little offset. And that's it. Of course, you can do this with multiple rafters. Let's come back to 0. Okay. Again, shift, choose multiple rafters, shift again, and now the free outline and the orientation. And now we have all our rafters with the same head profile. And that's how you can use your custom profiles for rafters or maybe purlins as well in Viskon 16.